Hi, Assalamualaikum and a good morning to Sir Awi and everyone. We are from CDCS 1102B and today we would like to present our group project for CSE 186 titled Homestay Booking System. So, our project consists of 3 members. That is me, Ahmad Naufal bin Ahmad Effendi, as a project leader, my friend Muhammad Syafiq bin Roslan, tasked for the documentation, and Muhammad Akram Hafaz bin Muhammad Nur, assigned to be the system designer. For the job description, the project leader coordinates and manage project progress and prepare project proposal and also the documentation. And I also design the system flows and identify project objective and ensure all project components are completed on time. For the system designer, design class structure. For Akram, the system designer, he designed class structure, UML diagram, and system architecture. He also implement object-oriented programs concepts such as classes, inheritance, and polymorphism. And for Shafiq, he prepare project reports and presentation materials. He also conducting system tests and record the results and verify that all requirements are met. Moving on to the introduction. So our Homestay program is basically efficient management for the homestay industry. So nowadays, many homestay business still manage manually for their booking system using paper records or spreadsheets. This manual process leads to an issue that such as a double booking of rooms, difficulties to track customer records, delayed update on availability room, time-consuming payment calculation, human errors during data entry, and booking management. So for our proposed process, for the booking system automates the entire booking process for the customer, providing a convenient and also organized homestay booking. For the first, the system allows customer registration and profile management. Number 2, search and selection of available room. Number 3, room booking and reservation. Number 4, room type availability. Number 5, payment fee calculation. Number 6, receipt generation. And lastly, occupancy management. For the calculation formula, we have 2 formula that calculates the subtotal and also the total payment. Next, we have the 5 main objective in our system. The first objective is booking process to reserve a room based on selected dates and room types. Number 2, searching process to display available rooms and booking schedules in real time. Number 3, calculating process to automatically calculate total rental charges. And number 4, updating the process to automatically edit customers and also booking details. And lastly, cancellation process to cancel booking and update room availability automatically. And now I would like to invite my friend to continue the presentation with the scope, UML, and object-oriented programming.
Thank you. Now I will be explaining the system design and object-oriented programming concept used in our project. So first, in our system consists of 5 main classes. There are homestay, room, booking, customer, and 2 subclasses, standard room, which is standard room and luxury room. Booking, for your information, booking has a one-to-one association with customer because every booking belongs to one customer. And next, booking also has a relationship with room and homestay. Meanwhile, standard room and luxury room inherit from the room class, demonstrating inheritance in Java. For the next one, this is our UML class diagram. The room class act as the superclasses. Standard room and luxury room are subclasses that inherit common attributes such as room number, room type, and room price. This reduces code duplication and improves code reusability.
Hi, my name is Akram. Here I'm gonna explain our class definition for our classes. Here we have superclass, which is homestay, and here we have another superclass, which is room. And this is a subclass to the room, standard room, and luxury room. And here is the aggregation classes. And here is our class application. And this is our output file. And this is sample for interface. And this is our reference, which is W3 School for array and loops, and jigs for Java basic programming, and object-oriented programming, lecture note from your ITM, and then Oracle for introduction to inheritance and polymorphism, and then booking.com for system flow interface. And now I'm gonna go through all our classes. Here we have Homestay, which represent the property itself, and room, an abstract style parent class with two subclasses, which is luxury room and standard room. And also we have customer, which is store the guest detail, and booking, which tie a customer, a homestay, and a room together into one transaction. And main, which handle the console interface and program flow. And here I'm gonna start with room. This class holds the fees and behavior that every room shares. The facility description and the price per night and availability flags. It also holds the logic for tracking booking instead of just a simple pool of cost available flag. Each room stores a list of book date, range, pair of start and end dates. This means a single room can be free for some date and booked for other, which is a lot closer to how a real booking system works. The key method here is available for. It looks through all the existing book range for that room and checks whether the new request date range overlap with any of them using a standard interval overlap check. And this is our is available method. Now I'm gonna show a subclass to the room, which is luxury room and standard room. Both inherit all the shared field and logic. They just override the display room method to print their room type label before calling super display room. To print the shared detail, this is where polymorphism comes in. In main, I'll store both room type in a single array of type room, where I loop through the array and call room, display room, Java automatically call the correct overridden version, luxury or standard, without me needing to check the type manually. And this is our declaration here at line 23. And this is the array. And this is where I loop display for the room, which is going to loop 3 times. And next is customer and homestay. These two are a simpler data class. Their fields are private and access is controlled through getter and setter. That is encapsulation. Both class also override to strings, so I can print a format summary of a customer or homestay just by passing the object directly. Both class also override to strings, so I can print a format summary of a customer or homestay just by passing the object. Here is the customer and homestay class. This is a homestay class, and this is a customer class. This is the booking class. This is where everything comes together. It doesn't inherit from any of the other class. Instead, it has a customer, a homestay, and a room as fields. This is composition building a complex object out of smaller independent objects. Booking has two important methods, which is calc payment, which is calculate the total cost, the room price multiplied by the number of nights, plus the homestay payment fee, and a 30 ringgit additional charge. And then it will run display receipt, which is a full format receipt using the customer, homestay, and room information together. And this is the calc payment. And this is a display receipt. And now I will show you how this program works. Here we're gonna run. And now it's gonna show us the main page, which is UI. Here we just enter the date using the format given, which is day, and then month, and then year. And we're gonna click enter, and then we're gonna enter the days we are about to book. In this case, I'm gonna put 1, and this is the available room on the date that I just input. Here we have 3 rooms that available, which is one of this is a luxury room and the others is standard room. Now I'm gonna choose the room 1, which is luxury room, and here we are asked to enter our custom ID. For customer ID, we are only allowed to enter number and character. If we insert a symbol, it's gonna ask us to re-input the ID. Here I'm gonna type 1, 2, 3, 4. This is our ID, and then we're gonna type our customer name, and then we're gonna type our name, and then our phone number, and then we're gonna enter the booking ID. It's also for this one, it's also the same as before. We're only allowed to put a number and a character. And here is the booking receipt, which is it's gonna show our customer ID, customer name, phone number, and then homestay ID, and then homestay name, and then address, payment fee. And here is our input earlier. And this is the calculate additional charge, and this all the payment. And here we're gonna enter this, and then there is it. Cancel apa tu? And here I'm going to cancel the book, and then I want to make another book session. And then I'm gonna pick any date. It's just the same as before. Now this time I'm gonna say no to cancel booking.